My math just took register 1, then it took register 1 again, and said add 1 to that. Do you want to start in a different position? No, I don't, because I just wanted to take me back to where it was at. Okay, jump to label 10. So we'll kind of just run through this a few times, and then we'll go look at the data. So I'm just running through the program. So like this is like what the third time we just executed. So our data is at a 3.
Yep.
Okay. Select. Keep going. Okay, so our data should be at a 4 now. Data should be at a 5 now. Okay. Let's go look at our data, make sure our data is at a 5, just to confirm. Go back to here, shift forward, and it jumps up to label 10.